Hello, in this video, let's talk about the difference between is and double equal to operator. Okay, now we are going to see the difference between is and double equal to. Now, most of you have used is and double equal to in Python for comparing variables and hence must be wondering that how can they be different, right? So let's see the usage of both is and double equal to operator with the examples to understand the difference between them. Now, is a keyword in Python which is used to check whether two objects are exactly the same or not. For an instance, we have a first with integer. Let me just assign a is equal to 2, right? And another variable second with b is equal to 2. Now, when we use the is operator to check whether they are similar or not, we get result as true, which means they are the same. In Python, variables with equal values are assigned the same ID of their objects to save the memory so that statement A is B is true. So let's see an example here. Let me print A is B. What do you think we'll get as an output here? We get true. Why? Because A is storing at the same location. Like if we wanted to check the memory location, we can just use a print function and put id of A. That means now we can just use the same thing for the location, memory location of B. That means both are storing in the same location. That's why we are getting it as true, right? Now, this is only valid for variables with some value assigned. Now, let's take another example here. This time, I just wanted to use here uh, an empty array, also an empty array here. Now, this time I just wanted to execute this and check it's coming false. Let's see why it is coming as false. Now, if I wanted to see the memory location here, I got here some memory location here in the Python. And similarly, if I wanted to execute this, I have got different memory location. What does that mean? These are two different lists in Python, like referring two different objects with two different memory location. So these two lists are not exactly similar, right? Now you can see here output like we are getting different values for both the list variables, even though both are empty lists, which means their values are equal but still they are not the same. Hence the result is false. Let's talk about a double equal to operator, which is a comparison operator in Python. It is used to compare two objects variables to find out whether the object variables are equal or not. It is called the equality operator. If we take this example like here, now we had these two empty lists here, right? And compare them using double equal to operator. Let's see what we'll get here. Let's say A equal to B and we got it as true, right? Which is a very simple code to understand. Now, equal to operator returns true when the values are equal. It doesn't compare or worry about the object ID. Between is and double equal to is, the keyword is checks whether the variables are referring to the same object or not. If they are referring to the same object, then they have the same ID. Otherwise, they will have different IDs. Whereas the operator double equal to compares the values while checking whether they are referring to the same object or not. Well, in this video, it's really understood that the difference between is keyword and double equal to operator in Python. Well, see you in the next one.